Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing MSI Pro Z790P Wi-Fi motherboard. It is one of the cheapest Z790 motherboards on the market, so you might be interested. This one came along with other PC parts in a bigger box, so I didn't have to remove some plastic films or things like that, but your one can come packaged in a different way. So let's get started. The box opens from this side. You just need to pull it outwards. The motherboard will be packaged in an ESD protective bag. Beneath the motherboard you will find a standoff and screw for mounting M.2 SSDs. Also there will be two SATA cables, antennas for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, the rear port's backplate, some quick latches for M.2 SSDs, quick installation guide, regulatory notices, and also some drivers on a CD. This motherboard comes with ATX form factor, which makes it unsuitable for smaller PC cases. It comes with LGA 1700 socket, which means that it supports Intel processors from 12th, 13th and 14th generation Raptor Lake refresh. You can connect up to 2 dedicated CPU fans along with 6 case fans without using additional splitters. You got also one RGB and one ARGB headers for controlling LED lights. The motherboard features 4 DIMM slots for DDR5 RAM, up to 256 GB of RAM, of course after a BIOS update is performed. There are also 4 PCI Express slots, with this one providing PCI Express 5 X16 connectivity. Unfortunately, this is the only X16 slot on this motherboard, as these support only X4 and X1 connectivity. It also comes pre-equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, which allows you to connect headsets conveniently. The rear ports include USB Type-C up to 20 gigabits per second and USB Type-A up to 10 gigabits per second, as well as 2 USB Type-A up to 5 gigabits per second, along with Ethernet up to 2.5 gigabits per second. You also get a BIOS flash button, which means that you can update the BIOS even without using a CPU. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you found it helpful. Also, you can subscribe and check my other videos. Thank you for watching.